CEO Binance stated Ripple XRP will surpass Bitcoin in 2023. U.S. Representative Brad Sherman recently advised the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, to go after crypto exchanges that supported Ripple's XRP token. However, in a recent interaction with Fox Business journalist Eleanor Tourette, Sherman made another claim against the token. Welcome to the Finance Up channel. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Do you think the analysts are right about XRP? Write the answers in the comments. Giving away 500 XRP at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive XRP coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word XRP, watch the video to the end, to like and subscribe. According to today's tweet by attorney James Phelan, Coinbase has officially submitted its amicus opinion in support of Ripple's fair notice defense. Coinbase has formally filed its amicus brief in support of Ripple's fair notice defense. The leading cryptocurrency exchange officially requested permission to file an amicus opinion in support of Ripple 2 weeks ago. The firm's request, along with 11 others, was approved on Monday by Judge Annalisa Torres, according to a document published by Fox Business reporter Eleanor Tourette a few hours ago. Accordingly, requests for amicus curiae resumes are being met, the document says, referring to various requests. Judge Torres gave all interested parties until November 18 to submit their statements. Coinbase, citing its interest in the case in its request, noted its unique point of view as an exchange that had no choice but to exclude the XRP token from the listing in light of what it called the SEC's unexpected coercion to harm its customers. In his official report, he also notes that the uncertainty associated with the lack of clarity in regulation in the United States and the fear of sudden enforcement put the American stock exchange at a disadvantage compared to international competitors. The cryptocurrency exchange stressed that the securities law of the 1930s, in violation of which the SEC accuses Ripple, was not intended for cryptocurrencies. In the litigation between Ripple Labs and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, both sides took an important step towards the decision of Judge Annalisa Torres. According to a tweet by defense attorney and former federal prosecutor James K. Phelan, both Ripple and the SEC filed summary judgment briefs yesterday morning. Initially, the two parties to the dispute had to submit their aforementioned papers by November 30. On December 2, Ripple and the SEC were supposed to meet to jointly discuss the amendments. Finally, on December 22, collective petitions were to be filed to seal all documents related to petitions for a simplified trial. However, as Phelan tweeted, the schedule is likely to shift. This assumes that the edited responses will be submitted around this Friday, December 2, Phelan said. The lawyer explained that this assumption is based on the facts that the edited petitions for simplified judicial proceedings should have been submitted on September 19, but filed on September 17, and the edited objections should have been submitted on October 24, but filed on October 21. In recent days, there have been suggestions that December 5, and now, possibly, December 2, could be a significant date for the likelihood of settlement of disputes between Ripple and the SEC. The focus is on Hinman's documents, which can be a strong trump card for Ripple. In order to keep these documents secret and prevent a broader impact on the overall regulation of the cryptocurrency market, the SEC may agree to a settlement. In this regard, what is edited or not edited can be crucial in summaries. If Hinman's documents are not made public by Ripple as evidence, it will be a convincing sign that the company has an advantage. However, a member of the XRP community, lawyer Fred Rispoli, does not believe that it will end so soon. According to him, it is unlikely that the SEC will agree to release Hinman's emails without a court order. And this decision will come into force only after retaliatory measures are taken on January 9, Rispoli said. He doesn't expect it to happen before the end of January. Binance has confirmed that it will hold a Flare, FLR, giveaway on January 9 among eligible XRP holders. Binance, the world's largest exchange by daily trading volume, has confirmed its support for the recently announced Flare, FLR, distribution, which will take place by January 9, 2023 for eligible XRP holders. This confirmation followed the exchange's announcement of airdrop support 2 years ago, when the token was still called Spark. The Flare Networks team announced the development in an official tweet and press release on their website. Binance has confirmed that on January 9, 2023, they will provide Flare tokens, FLR, to eligible customers. Binance has confirmed that they will provide the hashtag Flare $FLR token distribution to eligible customers on the 9th of January 2023. According to the press release, Binance confirmed that it will distribute the first 15% of FLR tokens on the platform to eligible XRP holders. According to the Flare team, the distribution will occur in the ratio of 0.1511 FLR to 1 XRP at the time of the snapshot from December 12, 2020. This means that customers who had XRP on their Binance balance at the time of the snapshot on December 12, 2020, will receive 0.1511 FLR for every 1 XRP token. This is consistent with earlier announcements. In addition, as confirmed in previous reports, the rest of the token distribution will be determined by the results of the vote held on the Flare Improvement Proposal, FIP. 01. If the votes are in favor of the proposal, addresses that have wrapped and delegated their tokens to Oracle's Flare Time Series, FTSO, will receive more FLR tokens in the ratio 0.8562 FLR for every 1 XRP stored, and will not be sent by airdrop within 36 months. Upon completion of the entire distribution event, XRP holders will receive 1.0073 FLR for each XRP stored at the time of snapshot creation for 36 months. The Flare team noted that it will update the community accordingly in case of further support for the distribution from Binance. Finally, the team provided additional clarifications regarding the recent confirmation from Binance. The press release specifically notes that the recent announcement does not represent a new airdrop for Binance users, but only confirmed the preliminary distribution date and the name change from Spark to Flare, FLR. Recall that Binance was one of the first exchanges to announce support for the airdrop of the FLR token, formerly Spark, which was announced on November 25, 2020. David Schwartz, Chief Technology Officer of the blockchain company Ripple, believes that Massachusetts Senator Elizabeth Warren may be right when it comes to regulating cryptocurrencies. It's not an awful position to work with. At least it agrees that regulations need to change and that it is important to get crypto regulation right. In a recent article published by the Wall Street Journal, Warren argues that cryptocurrency could eventually destroy the economy if there is not proper oversight. Although the senator acknowledges that cryptocurrencies can potentially make the financial system more inclusive, she also points to the fact that history is littered with all sorts of fraudulent financial schemes that were advertised by criminals and charlatans. Warren argues that the heads of crypto projects that violate the law are no different from other financial instruments, so the Ministry of Justice should use all its strength. Warren also dealt a blow to companies engaged in the mining of cryptocurrencies, which load the energy system and increase greenhouse gas emissions. She stressed that the cryptocurrency should be subject to the same rules as other financial sectors. On Twitter, Schwartz wrote that this is not a terrible position to work in. It's not a terrible position to work in. At the very least, she agrees that the rules need to change and that it is important to ensure proper regulation of cryptocurrencies. Warren has long been one of the leading crypto skeptics of Congress. In a September interview, the progressive MP called the cryptocurrency unreliable, destructive, and dangerous. In early April, Warren compared buying Bitcoin to buying air. The current price of XRP for today you can see yourself on the screens, and the trading volume for 24 hours is $1,294,436,065 US. We are updating our XRP price in US dollars in real time. XRP has dropped 4.08% in the last 24 hours. Do you think XRP will be able to win the court and restore its former price? Write the answers in the comments. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.